In today's video, I will walk you through how to add anti-phishing code on Gate account. Scammers are constantly finding new ways to trick crypto users with fake emails and phishing attacks. Fortunately, Gate offers a simple security feature called the anti-phishing code that helps you identify legitimate emails from the platform. Once you're logged in, tap or click on your profile icon to open your account menu. From there, go to Security Settings. This section contains all of the tools you need to protect your account, including password management, two-factor authentication, and anti-phishing protection. Scroll until you find anti-phishing code, then select it. If this is your first time setting it up, you'll be prompted to create a unique code. Choose something that's easy for you to recognize but difficult for others to guess. It can be a combination of letters and numbers, such as a memorable word or short phrase that only you know. After entering your desired code, confirm your choice. Gate may ask you to complete additional security verification, such as entering your email verification code, SMS code, or Google Authenticator code, depending on your account's security settings. Once you've completed the verification, your anti-phishing code will be successfully activated. From now on, every legitimate email sent by Gate should include your custom anti-phishing code. Before clicking any links or following instructions in an email claiming to be from Gate, always check that your code is displayed correctly. Enabling an anti-phishing code is a quick but powerful way to strengthen your account security and reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing scams. And that's how you add an anti-phishing code to your Gate.com account.